ready with me while I show you how to do this makeup look. I figured I'd do a get ready with me so you guys can see my new foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match in the shade C 2.5. I have no idea what undertone I am. I'm like so bad at matching my foundations, but I got a cool undertone because I just wanted to see what would happen. I feel like I'm not a cool undertone, but I don't know, you guys. Let's just see how it looks. I feel like this is gonna maybe make me look a little gray. It's hard to tell because I also have a fake tan on my face, which is like kind of yellow. But I actually feel like this foundation is kind of looking good. What do you guys think? I like it actually, the color looks good. Maybe I am cool toned. I don't know. This is like my natural color. I don't have fake tan on my hands. Am I cool toned? I don't know. I'm gonna do a little bit of Born This Way concealer under my eyes only. The best brush for blending out your concealer, it's the Morphe E8 brush. I don't think you can get it anymore, but I did get myself this one, which is also from Morphe. This is the Morphe V108, and it's very, very, very similar. A little setting powder underneath my eyes. I love this setting powder. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm trying this Kaja Beauty Bento Play Bento. It has like a bronzer and a highlighter and a blush. And I'm gonna use, if I can open it, the bronzer from this. It's like a cream bronzer. I'm just dipping my brush into it and then I'm going to, ooh, it's pretty. Tap it right on my face. When I'm using cream bronzer and a brush, I just tap it on. I'm not like swiping, I'm just tapping. I didn't mention this earlier, but this video is kind of like a first impressions video because a lot of these products that I'm using, except for the concealer, are all like new products to me. I don't know what's going on, but I literally have like 3 eyelashes over here. We're going to try the Kaja Beauty blush from this little Bento trio thing. It looks like a light blush, but it looks like it's going to be pretty and natural. I just put some of this Benetint on my lips. It sounds like I just said Benetint, but I said Benetint. But originally, if you didn't know, this product was made originally for strippers' nipples. And if you don't believe me, Google it. But the daughter of the guy who started this company literally told me that at an event. I think it would be okay if I called it Benetint. I'm gonna use a little bit of my favorite lip liner, which is the NYX in the color Sandstorm. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip on top. I don't know if this has like its own shade. What shade is this? It doesn't really have like a shade name, so I'm not sure if these, oh yes it does, it's called Orchid. And this is the finished look. I've been super into no eyeshadow lately, so I don't have any eyeshadow on my eyelids. I think I just have a tiny bit of concealer, but that's it.